Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to contact Doordash. So let's start this video. So currently Doordash application doesn't have any feature where you can contact them via application. So there is an alternative way through Google browser. So I will show you it. Just open Google browser and then search for Doordash customer service. Now click on the first link, customer support. So if you want any help with current order, then you have to click on my current order. If you have any queries about your past orders or you want any help with your past orders, then click on my past orders. If you want more information about Doordash, then click on visit help center. So I will show you it. Over here you can see many options, and if you want help with your account, so you have to click on manage your account. If you want any help with your promotions, then click on promotion. If you have any problems with your payments, then click on payments. Similarly with troubleshooting, if you are facing any issues while using Doordash application, then click on troubleshoot. Now I will go back and tell you more about it. So if you want to chat with them, you can click on chat with us in the Doordash app. You have to just click it and provide your email, or you can call them on the following number. So that's it for the video. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.